Welcome to PE class with Mr. Smith. We are getting ready this week for jump roping. So let's get our jump ropes out. Oh, I know. Not all of you have jump ropes at home. So set those aside. We might be in a classroom. You can't jump rope indoors in small spaces. Now, if you want to jump rope outdoors, you don't have a jump rope, here's a quick, easy way if you have old rope laying around. Stand on it, get a parent to help you. Measure one armpit, maybe to the other armpit, cut it. Now you have a nice jump rope. Always add a little tape if you can. It helps keep it around a little bit longer. You have a nice jump rope. All right, let me get our jump ropes here for today. They're right over here. Well, you can't see them? They're right here. Pick up the bunch. Here we go. These are our magical invisible jump ropes. They don't let your feet get tangled up, and they're always the right size. So here, come get your jump rope. There you go. All right, now don't set it down. You don't want to lose it. You don't want to lose your invisible jump rope. We're going to need it for our jump roping skills we're going to work on today.